I'm in the hub. I just loaded some boxes, some packages. It's Friday, 9:35. This is our last week that we're allowed to work. I got called in today to help out. I got apartments to deliver to. You know how I want to get to those lockers first. Come on, let's go. I filmed the mountains, how beautiful they are. There's a crash. The roads are so icy right now. Woke up this morning to snow on the ground. It is the perfect consistency of a frozen margarita. Just need a little tequila, some lime. Tasty. I'm working today, but I got a message on Instagram from some folks who bought my house. And there's a package on the doorstep for me, so instead of delivering packages this morning, I'm gonna go be picking one up. Come on, let's go. I haven't been in the truck all winter. I've been using the van. But I do not want to go into my old neighborhood in the van since it snowed last night. Van does not like the least bit of snow. I bought this house. I waited 3 years for it to be built. And in the meantime, I was going through cancer treatment. I got over cancer and I was still waiting for this house to be built, and we finally moved in. We enjoyed it for a while, and then we were going to move out of state and Dirk was going to retire. So we put the house up for sale, and our children had to finish, well, our daughter had to finish high school. So we stayed in town in a rental, and a few years later, here we still are. We didn't move out of town, thank goodness. Driving up here was gonna trigger me. Trying to find a home. I love this home. I loved our property. And I'm ready to have my own property. Being cramped in that rental, and I am so loud. I have so many projects, but real estate. And well, got my package. Well, that should say Moxy. I don't know what I got. I didn't order anything. It was nice of the new owner of the house. Oh, traction. There's no packing label. There it is. I think I know who this is from. My father was commenting on slipping while working. Thank you. I'm gonna have to delete my old address out of your Amazon. Put that PVD video that's being watched by a YouTube follower. Oh, happened to be my father. Thank you. I was just gonna film the mountains, how beautiful they are. There's a crash. The roads are so icy right now. I was just gonna film the beautiful sun and the snow mountains. Hope they're okay. I don't see an ambulance, so it might be okay, unless they already took them away. 3 months ago, our neighbor right down there backed into our car. The camera catches them. They tried to deny it, and eventually they had to admit to it. And we just got the car into the shop, dealing with the neighbor, their insurance, the auto body shop, and now we just got the rental car. And knowing it was gonna snow, and I was like, this is our lucky car we got. I was told it was all-wheel drive though. Asked if there was anything else, but out of luck. First day off forever. I can't get out of town. The storm's rolling in, but I'm making it to the Carson Hot Springs, my favorite spot.
Video.